When we go out, we can see the oil on top of the sea. My name is Maraia Liku. I've been living in this area for around 23 to 24 years. It was not like this. As we can see, there's a lack of mangrove and the color of the sea. It's all changed. Before it used to be rich. We can fish here, we can collect kaikosa and all. When it's low tide, we used to play around in this area. Like it's sandy and it's hard. And this is like our picnic area outside there. But now, because of the pollution and all, like oil spill plus the way they dig that sandy part, we can't even play there. The mud, right now, if we're going to play there, the mud will be up to our waist. So a long time ago, when my father was still alive, they took this issue up, and there was nothing been done about it. And plus, we don't take things up because we know that the Department of Fisheries and Forestry are just right beside us. So we're hoping that they're looking into that, but there was no change. This thing is not only happening in this area, it affects the whole sea. Looking from the bridge, you can see that the unused big ship left there. Some are just sinked. It's just like it's damaged our where we used to go and fish. Oil spill sometimes when they used to clean up their boat and all, it's always spill on top of the water. When we go out, we can see the oil on top of the sea.